Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your Driveshaft Gaiter on this Mini Cooper S. This one is a 2004 model. So now I'm going to remove this 18mm nut. So literally just keep hitting this until it just drops down. So now we just get a big press it through. And that's it. Now this is a 16mm nut, so you just gun that off as well. Now this one's off, you just tap it on there until it literally drops. As you can see, that one's off. Just give it a firm hit. Now I'm going to take this nut off, then push the drive shaft back, then I'll be able to take the whole thing out. Now I'm going to remove this one. It's a 32mm socket. So if this is seized and it doesn't want to go back, literally just get a punch and a hammer, put it in there, keep tapping it until it frees up. Once you've tapped it through, basically you've got to just push that out. As you can see, all we've got is to slot the shaft out there and just pull the whole thing out. This is my first time doing this one, so please, no rude comments. Now with the hammer, just tap that, and you can see our shaft is coming out. So I'll show you, so I'm tapping it down. You can see it for yourself. And now we can just pull our shaft out and get to work. So as you can see, this is the one I'm replacing because it's ripped. You can see it's the inner one. Now I'm just going to take that clip off, put a new one on there, and then just pop it off. Should be quite straightforward, and you should be able to pull out. Yep, just like that. Just going to cut this off. You could literally take off. There should be some. So remove the circlip that's sitting around here and you'll be able to pull this whole tripod off like that. Now all you need is circuit pliers. As you can see, just literally, it's got like slots where you put it. So you literally just got to line that up and then squeeze it. As you can see, I'm going to use both hands to do it though, because that's what you got to do. Those little grooves there. The reason why it's not in this device is because the device is not working, but that's what you have to do. I'm going to go ahead and do that. As you can see, it's off. Now this should just slide off, otherwise you just got to tap it off. Just tap it right there on that side and right here. Comes straight. So once our split pin's out, as you can see, I've got the puller just on edge of that one, and the edge of that one there, because it's very difficult to get it on there, and I don't actually want to put it on that bit. And all you got to do is literally just start turning this. Keep turning the puller. And you can see it coming off, like literally right there. You can see the gaps getting smaller. So that's what you gotta do. Just use a puller to pull it off, or you can try and tap it off. Well, I'd rather just use the puller to take it off. So once that's off, as you can see, this is it. Pull that off. What you do is you're going to slide the new one of this back on and then refit that back on. So now we're just going to slide this on. So once our Gaiter is on, so we just slot that on top of there. So as you can see, I've got a socket on here. I'm just going to tap it down. until it sits flush. As you can see, it's now on, and the socket that I've used, as you can see, it sits perfectly over there and it doesn't get stuck in that. So now we're going to use our circlip pliers to put our circlip back in. So we're going to need to open that up. So literally just slide it over there like that. So as you can see, you just got to open up the circlip and just slot it on there like that, and then you just got to release it after and it'll sit. So you can see that it's actually sitting flush. Now we're going to fill this with grease and then put that back on. Okay, once we've put our grease in there, just got to line this up now, let it slide on like that. And then we're going to put our CV boot onto it. So once you've put both the new Gaiter clips on, all you have to do is just get one of these tools and literally just squash them together. Just demonstrate that now. And then the same to this one here. And that's it, basically. And obviously, so reverse to put it back in. Hope this video was a result. Thank you. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it's the supercharged version. This one is a 2004 model. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Don't forget to leave the comments below. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.